We're all we just vacuumed. Now Armaan and Aarav is gonna help mommy put all the toys where it belongs. That's heavy.
It's so heavy. It's so heavy.
Okay, you need to put the train over there. Do you need me to help you? Yeah, the choo-choo train goes over there.
No, it come over there. No, it goes over there.
Okay, can you put it over there? Thank you, Aarav. You got it? Thank you. The chairs might be too heavy for Aarav. Okay. The basketball hoop. Okay, let's put it back. We need to clean this whole toy box. Good job, Armaan. Wow, so much better. Thank you so much for y'all's help. High five. Thank you.